Han Solo. What? Han Solo is reading a book.
I see that. Okay. Now what?
And then somebody has to...
Are we going to battle?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
You and me against Darth Vader.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Am I filming us
How can
too?
Mommy do that if she's
Okay,
filming?
I've got my gun.
Keep shooting.
I'm
Okay.
Darth Vader. What's that?
What's that?
Oh!
I shot him.
Shoot him again.
Oh, okay.
Shoot him again.
Darth
There.
Vader's dead. Now do your victory.
But then how can you talk if you're dead?
Well, do your victory fight.
Okay, look. He's not talking anymore. Okay, he's dead. Okay, now do your fight. Victory fight. Victory dance.
Now it's you against me.
But we're the good guys. We're on the same team.
But
So you have to do a victory dance. Do your victory
Do your dance one last time. Man, you are scary. Take a bow.